How to duplicate a photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. From here, tap on Duplicate. Now, go back to the Photos page. As you can see, you have successfully duplicated this photo. You can repeat this to duplicate the other photos too if you want. Following these steps, you can easily duplicate a photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.